Libra women are known for their charm, intelligence, and sense of balance. They're also incredibly romantic and appreciate the finer things in life. So, if you're looking to capture the heart of a Libra woman, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll uncover the key traits and qualities that Libra women value most, and we'll provide actionable tips on how to win their affection. Understanding the Libra woman. Libra women are governed by the planet Venus, the goddess of love and beauty. This means they have a natural affinity for romance and harmony. They're also very social creatures and enjoy being around people. Libra women are also known for their indecisiveness. They weigh all sides of an issue before making a decision, which can sometimes make them seem hesitant or unsure. However, this trait also reflects their fairness and desire to make everyone happy. Qualities that attract Libra women: intellect and wit. Libra women are drawn to people who can stimulate their minds. They enjoy engaging in deep conversations and appreciate those who can make them laugh. Kindness and compassion. Libra women are naturally empathetic and caring. They value kindness and compassion in others and are drawn to those who share their values. Confidence and charm. Libra women are confident and charismatic, and they look for these qualities in their partners. They appreciate someone who can make them feel special and appreciated. Fairness and balance. Libra women value fairness and balance in all aspects of their lives. They're attracted to partners who are fair-minded and open-minded. Romance and thoughtfulness. Libra women are hopeless romantics, and they appreciate grand gestures and thoughtful acts. They love being pampered and made to feel special. Actionable tips to win her heart. Engage in stimulating conversations. Keep her mind engaged by discussing interesting topics, sharing your thoughts and ideas, and asking her questions about her interests. Show kindness and compassion. Be considerate of her feelings, offer support when she needs it, and demonstrate your empathy and care. Exude confidence and charm. Be confident in yourself and your abilities, and let your natural charisma shine through. Make her feel special and appreciated. Be fair and balanced. Approach situations with an open mind and a willingness to compromise. Avoid being overly assertive or indecisive. Romance. Her with thoughtful gestures. Plan romantic outings, surprise her with gifts, and show her how much you care through thoughtful actions.